This is my sofa, and I take my job as the ultimate defender very seriously. The moment anyone approaches, I spring into action, leaping onto the cushions like a furry superhero. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's my throne, my kingdom. You might think it's just a couch, but to me, it's a fortress. When my human gives me that look, I can't help but respond with a tiny meow, as if to say, "Excuse me, but you're just a guest here." I know they love to relax, but I have a duty to protect my territory. So, I stretch out, making it impossible to sit down. It's not personal, it's just my nature. After all, every sofa needs a defender, and I wear that title with pride.